Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less. And today I am so ecstatic to be sharing with you guys my kitchen cabinet organization. I was inspired many years ago before I ever got on YouTube by At Home with Nikki. She was organizing all of her cabinets in her kitchen, and I went to the Dollar Tree and found these amazing organizational tools that you see here, and I organized all of my Fiesta wear, which is in all the different colors. I had just gotten married and I was so enthralled with the system, and I still use that very same system to this day. Well, another thing that she organized or she shared with us was her white dish cabinet. And at the time, I had zero white dishes, like none. And I was so enthralled, so inspired, so in love with her white dishes that I committed myself to putting together a white dish collection for my home because everything in my home was colorful. And I love the way that the white dishes were so versatile. You could the way when you plated your food, it was so beautiful compared to how my food showed up on my colored dishes. And so after like what, 4 or 5 years, I finally have a complete white dish collection that works for me and for my home, and I absolutely cannot wait to share with you guys all of the pieces that make up my collection and of course how I organize the cabinet. So here's how the cabinet looked before. My husband had made it into a semi-medicine cabinet, and I had to clear all those things out and create another space for him to store all of his medicines for seasonal allergies and things of that nature. And then I was able to organize our kitchen white dish cabinet I just absolutely love. And I'm going to go through all of these pieces and share with you where I got them and what I use them for. And I hope you find tons of inspiration in me sharing how I organize this kitchen cabinet along with, all the pieces that make up my white dish collection. I am so ecstatic to finally have this done. I have sincerely been collecting these pieces for I'm telling you guys, about as long as I started, like before I started YouTube. I just didn't want to run out and purchase pieces that made no sense. So as my life progressed and my family needs progressed, I was able to add more, subtract more, and cull it out. So let's get started with my white dish collection. And I set up this little vignette to kind of showcase the dishes better because my table, I think someone in my last video thought the table was gray and black, and it's actually a French distress with gray and brown. So the first one is this white plate. I absolutely love it. It is so classy and so elegant. It's by Luxe China, and I got it several years ago at Tuesday Morning when they used to have their 80% off sale. I got it for like 90 something cents, I do believe, but it looks so amazing. And when you pair it with like this twig charger that I got from the Fox Paint at Home, absolutely amazing. I also picked up these salad plates. They aren't by Linux, they're by Bone, I think, but I got those from Tuesday Morning as well. And I am in love with Rosanna. Like when I got married, I looked everywhere for her dishes because I had a storybook or a royal themed wedding, and I wanted the crown plates and all of those majestic things to grace my head table, and I could not find them. And one day I walked in Dillard's, and the entire collection was there, and it was on clearance. I was so excited, so I have that entire collection. I also have this crown bowl that I picked up at Tuesday Morning, again during their 90% off sale. And then matching the crown plate, I have the crown coffee cups that are so amazing by Rosanna. And I got these as a part of that sale I was just telling you guys about at Dillard's. These are great for breakfast and teas and things of that nature. Next up, I have these French fry bowls. You may have seen this in my Thanksgiving buffet. video that I did, how to set up a Thanksgiving buffet, but I still am loving these. Here's another kind of like an oblong bowl that I have. These are great for serving sides and, huge family size and family meals, and easy to pass around the table if you're doing a buffet style meal. Next up is this gorgeous oblong platter. I got this at, I think these were also from Ross. I may have gotten these from Ross or the other online store. I will have to link down below. I got these plates. This is like a saucer. I got it from Tuesday Morning as well, and it's actually the made to the plate that you see here. And I think I paid like 60 cents for that one. So super, super excited about those because I was able to get like all three pieces. And it was such an amazing deal on all of these pieces. And I was so ecstatic to have the complete collection. Next up is another, I like this one because it's kind of like an ornament shape, but I picked these up as well online, and I will leave that link down below because it will not come to me. I love this square bowl. It is great for cereal, and you can also use this bowl for sides or for soups or, for smaller sides. So I love having these on hand because when you're creating a buffet, they make such a gorgeous buffet. Now, here is I think I call these like luncheon plates or snack plates, and they are square. They are great for lunchtime for like a burger and fries or a wrap and chips or something like that. I also like the rectangular plates. These are great for like appetizers if people are coming over to watch a game or if I'm doing some type of like a chicken quesadilla. These are really, really good for serving small plates. Now, speaking of appetizer, I love these with the little dip portion in the bowl. These are get a lot of use in our home around football season, so they will definitely get a lot of use. So I'm really excited about that. This coffee creamer is actually by Ralph Lauren. I got it also at Tuesday Morning when they used to have those amazing sales. I think I paid like $1.99 for the bowl, the cup, and the coffee and creamer set. And so, yeah, just an amazing deal. And they are great, great, great quality from Ralph Lauren. Next up, I got these little spoons. They're like, oh my gosh, I love these. You can do so many things with them. If you guys watch Style by Casanova, like one day I visited her and she cooked this amazing meal. And then she put like the beans in that spoon. Oh my gosh, so, so, so over the top. I also have this two-tier tray. I got it at Target after, I want to say Easter last year, and it was super inexpensive and such a great deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed how I organized all these pieces in our white dish cabinet using the shelving, the three-tier shelf that is normally used for spices from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the way that this all turned out. And now my white dish collection is complete. If it grows anymore, I will take some things out and replace it with other things and pass it on to someone who could benefit from it because I want to keep everything kind of limited to this one shelf outside or this one cabinet outside of the pieces that I use, the bigger pieces that I use for entertaining. And I have that in another area. So if you guys are interested in seeing more areas in my kitchen and how I organize them, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to sign up for Luxe Academy if you're interested in getting started in event planning. I will leave that link down below. And as always, check out my community on YouTube. I'm always making updates on Facebook and on Instagram. So be sure to follow me there. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you to be an official member of the Lux for Less family. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!